There will be some times where editing existing material will not be an option, so you have to create your own material to use that in your model. So let's take a look about how to create new materials, and it's really simple to do. And we'll pin it, and under the materials we don't have any materials right now at the moment in this model. So what we'll do, we'll we'll go to this option. You can see there is an option create material, and I will just click it. So another window pop up, which is really simple to add, similar to edit tab, and we have number of options that I have already discussed, very similar to that. And I'll just go through right by name, and let's start with table top. Okay, and I want to make it little bit, what I'll say, brownish. Let's say I'll make it more brown. I click OK. You can see there is another material that was added with the name of tabletop, and what I'll do, I can directly just apply this material here, and this is our own material that we have recently created. So it's really easy for us to add simple material. Now let's try with a new type material where we don't have to use color. We have to use a textured image for it. So I'll go and again write table top 2, where I'll use this textured image. I can use this. I'll open it, and you can see the color material has been changed, and the scale was already provided, and I'll click OK. And now we have tabletop 2 as a material. What I can do, I can always change it, and you can see I have been changing it very simply. So it's okay. So you can see now the material has been applied. Now even we can change the scale of this particular material. If I want this to be a little more larger, I'll make 3 feet. So you can see the texture got enlarged, and it is really easy to visualize, create. Even I will use marquee tool to create more color for the legs. I'll go with this material, and I will make something related to that, little bit more lighter. I click OK. I'll change the name of material legs, and under select we have legs here, and I'll just put it like this. So we have created some materials by our own self, and we have applied it, and you can see it was really simple to make or create a new material. So try these things, the steps that I have told you, by yourself, and you will be able to create a new material by yourself, and you will find it really simple. So this is the thing that I wanted to share for you in this chapter, and let's get on new chapter in the next video. Thank you.